Yes, my people, welcome back to the channel. D Mac again. Alright, this one is from Old Harbour. I'm gonna give you a tour of Old Harbour Town, and this is West Street. I'm starting this one at the Jamaica bedding right here. So I'm gonna walk and go straight down to the clock. Alright, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Alright, so this is Old Harbour. We have a little bit of rain today, but it's alright still, you know? Yes.
Yeah, man, you can do
and here's a gentleman selling some roots here. Wow, the roots they look very nice. You can tell me about these roots?
Oh, yes, sir. Alright, this one is the all-purpose.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this one is noni.
Oh, that's the one noni?
Noni.
Okay.
Yes. This one is a tonic with a little bitters.
Okay.
Yeah, and this one is a strong back one.
Yeah.
Strong back root. Right, this one is the noni again. And this one is the all-purpose. We have everything. Yes. Yes. This one is a for cold and sinus. It helps the liver, the kidney, and the lungs.
What are the ingredients in that one?
Okay, this one it have bitter wood. Yeah, bitter wood. Yes. And senapad. Yes. And very vine.
Okay.
And information weed.
Okay.
One we call dark blood.
Okay.
Yeah, so this and then we put a little thing in there.
Okay.
Epsom salt. And it's good for the worm also.
Okay.
Yes, it's good for the worm. So it's very dangerous.
Okay.
You have to use a little.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright.
Alright. This one now is for all-purpose again.
Okay.
And you have one here. You have one here for the prostate.
Okay.
Alright, this one is the one with the very vine. It helps to build the immune system, and it goes on for the nerves.
Okay.
And such like.
Alright.
Yes.
So, alright guys.
Yes.
So if you're in the town, if you're in the area here, Old Harbour, you can come and check him out right here.
Yeah. My number is 567-6907.
Yes.
So you can add 876.
Yes.
So right at the Jamaica bedding.
Yes.
And you can call me Likitele Boss. Yeah. Likitele Boss.
Okay.
Just the word. Or the roots man.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright then. Have a nice day here.
Thank you very much, sir, for your accommodation.
Yeah man, alright.
Thank you. Please come again.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna go down the road now.
Yeah,
take care here.
I'll see you.
Yeah man. Me no know straight from here. Yeah. Alright, so this is the Old Harbour Road, you know. Alright, so we're moving along down on the road here, you know. Get some heavy showers this morning, you know. That's why you see the place wetty like that. Okay, here, this is the Old Harbour Post Office right here. Yeah.
Sometimes I'm scared.
Okay. Alright, right across is the juicy beef. Juicy beef patty over there. Okay. And this is the Old Harbour Market. They don't. Okay, just take a walk through and see what is there.
Yeah, I take a number one here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Some nice planting over there, so. Wow. Yeah. Okay, so this is the bus park here at Old Harbour. Let's squeeze through here.
Come back.
Alright. Alright, so we're back on the main again. Some lovely yam right there. Wow. So renter. Some nice callaloo over there. So yes, callaloo man, what's up? Alright. That's how nice greens they do. Yeah.
Hot pepper, sweet pepper.
We're moving along. Over there is the Kentucky in the Old Harbour, you know.
God bless you,
Oh. Bami, how is the bami here? 250? 250 for one single one. Okay. Alright, we are coming back. right over there is the Old Harbour Police Station. Right. Okay. Oh, and the parish court too. Okay. So you have the police station and the parish court in one. Okay. All right. So this is the clock. This is the square of Old Harbour. Yeah. See if I can go across here. We have the National Commercial Bank here. Okay, so we're going down on South Street now. All right.
One mere penalty.
All right. So it's not a big town, but it's looking good. Yeah. And when you are in the area and you want to use the restroom is right over here. They have a public bathroom right over there. That is a public bathroom over there. So when you're in the area, you can just come here. $50 and $100 for the public bathroom. All right. Hi. Huh? YouTuber. Yeah. Yes. All right. Eh? You want to follow me? Okay, all right. All right, guys. So this is the public bathroom, right here, and right in front of the credit union over there. And this area they call it Mango Ground. Okay. All right. So you have a nice day now here.
Yeah, same to you.
Yeah, man. And you can hit me up on
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
DMAC 4K Realtor. All right. Yeah, man. Take care here.
Yep.
All right. Okay, guys, we continue our walk at the town here.
Mind your business, baby.
Eh? Where is Farmers?
Drug center.
How far is that?
Just right here, next door from my building.
Oh, you have your building here?
Drug center.
Okay, this is Gateway Plaza, guys. Okay, if you want me to come on, I can come
You
on.
can go over there, man. Go do whatever.
Okay, nice. Okay,
Not over here,
the other building.
yeah.
It's a
Drug center.
jerk center.
Farmers drug center.
Oh, Farmer Jerk Center. Okay, so what they sell over there? Like,
Pain and pork.
oh, okay.
Pork, rice and peas for Friday.
Oh, Corrigo, okay.
Yeah, you can go have a lunch.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Yes. They have a lot of rain this morning.
That just a nice man.
Oh, okay. Yeah, keep down the dust. Okay. Okay, so this is Jerk Center. So this is a nice restaurant. When you come, you can come and have your lunch. Wow. Okay. Oh, so you're going in there? Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is it. This is the jerk center. You can come here and get a jerk pork and jerk chicken and all of that stuff. Hello, sir. What's up? Wow, first time here. Yeah. Chicken look good here though. Oh, you sell soup too? Red pea soup? Huh?
Red beans.
Okay. Where are they? Right here? So soup here, pork here. Okay, nice. Okay. Wow. All right. This is so nice. First time here. Yeah. All right. So you can come.
Everyone.
Okay, nice. That is what, the 300? No, I said what? I said 300.
Give me that, no? Give me that.
Yeah,
man, give me that. Same time. Yeah, man.
Oh, you have a bar up there too?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can go up there. Okay, nice. And you have restroom and stuff here.
Yeah, man.
Okay. All right. All right. All right, guys. So that's it for this one. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching again. All right, that's it from Old Harbour.